Hello everyone, good morning. This is Mirren Gupta and the bulletin starts with Salesforce to acquire Informatica of $8 billion to boost AI capabilities. WhatsApp launches a native app for iPad with a multitasking support. WhatsApp brings AI feature to a classic Windows apps. OpenAI may soon let users sign into a third-party apps with ChatGPT account. Google integrates ads into its AI modes and expands AI overview ads to desktop. Airtel launches India's first AI-in-one of OTT entertainment packs for prepaid users. SpaceX Starship spins out of control amid fight, misses key milestones and more. So in yesterday quiz, which company has partnered with the TCS to build India's largest quantum computing hub? And the answer is IBM. Now it's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does IBM stand for? Confident you have got the answer? Drop it in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin if you need. First up, Salesforce has announced plans to acquire data management firm Informatica as approximately $8 billion to marking its largest deal since acquiring Slack in 2021. The move is aimed to strengthening Salesforce AI-driven data tools are demand for intelligent automation groups. Salesforce will pay a $25 per share in 30% premium over Informatica price before news of the deal talks. The acquisition expected to the close early next fiscal year and be funded through a mix of cash and new debt. The partnership will create the industry's more complete agent-ready for data platform, enhancing a Salesforce ability to embed of generative AI its offering. The alliance with the Salesforce push into AI agents and its broader enterprise strategy. The deal also positions Salesforce to better compete with the software giants offering a bundled data and management solution. Analysts expect that the acquisition is improves in a Salesforce generation to margins by the second year post-close. Now, Meta has officially released a long-awaited native WhatsApp or app for iPad, bringing the full-screen functionality and key iPad-specific features. The app supports voice and video calls with up to 32 participants, screen sharing, and dual camera use. It takes a full advantage of Apple of multitasking tools like a stage manager, split view, and a slide over, enhancing a productivity by allowing users to interact with the multiple apps in a simultaneously. This chat is interface is optimized for tablets, showing conversations and a chat list side by side. It also supports accessories like the Magic Keyboards and Apple Pencil. Built in a WhatsApp multi-device architecture, the iPad version is syncs with the messages and media across devices, including iPhone, iPad, and a Mac while maintaining end-to-end encryption. This marks a major leap for a WhatsApp on an Apple devices, fulfilling of one of the most requested features from users. Privacy tools like Chat Lock with the Face ID and a PIN are also included, reinforcing Meta to focus on securing messages. Now, Microsoft is infusing AI into Classic in a Windows app, Paint snipping tool, and a notepad as a part of the latest Windows 11 inside a preview of a Copilot Plus PCs. In a Paint, user can now generate AI-powered stickers by typing prompts like cat wearing sunglasses and a use object select tools for intelligent image editing. These features enhance the creativity and the streamlined design tasks. The snipping tool introduces a perfect screenshot refining selected areas automatically, and a new color picker ad allows users to interact hex, RGB, and HSL values from any screen area ideal for a designer. Notepad now includes a write feature powered by the generative AI. It lets users generate to extend using Control plus Q and adding quick note taking and drafting. This feature requires a Microsoft 365 subscription with the Copilot Pro. These AI upgrades reflects a Microsoft broader strategy to integrate generative AI into everyday workflows, making familiar apps smarter and more intuitive and modern users. Now let's talk about OpenAI is exploring a new feature that would allow users to sign the third-party application using their ChatGPT account. The Sam Altman-led companies are currently seeking developers interested in integrating this feature into their apps. With over 600 million monthly active users, ChatGPT is now among the costly, widely, and a consumer application. The OpenAI appears to expanding its reach beyond a controversial AI into areas like social media, e-commerce, and even hardware. A recent preview of the feature was shared with the developers working on Codex in CLI, AI-powered coding tool. This allowed users of ChatGPT Free Plus and a Pro to connect with their API accounts, with the OpenAI offering up to $50 in API credits. But enabling third-party signs, OpenAI could reveal a tech giants like Google and Apple, while the launch date remains unclear. The move signals the OpenAI ambition to become a broader identity platform in AI space. Google has officially begun displaying ads with its AI mode and search following the nationwide rollout. The company also confirmed that the AI overviews and AI generated summaries top search result will now include ads for a desktop user. These announcements were made during a Google Marketing Live 2025, just after the I/O Developer Conference. And AI mode ads will appear within a Blow AI generated responses, offering user quick access to relevant business and services. In AI overviews, ads will be labeled and placed where relevant within the summaries. These changes come as Google seeks to monetize the evolving search experience amid rising competition from OpenAI, Microsoft, and Perplexity. However, the shift has raised concerns among publishers featuring traffic and revenue losses. Google also unveils Imagen 4 Veo 3 and advanced image and video generation tools for advertise and announced upgrades to AI Max and smart bidding exploration for a better ad targeting. Now, Airtel has unveiled India's first all-in-one OTT entertainment pack for prepaid customers, offering access to over 25 top streaming platforms including Netflix, JioCinema, Z5, Sony Live, and more. Starting at just Rs 279 for a month validity, to pack delivers entertainment worth Rs 750, making it most comprehensive offerings by any telecom provider in the country. User can enjoy TV shows, movies, documentaries across 16 plus languages through a single subscription, eliminating the hassle managing multiple OTT accounts. For 598, users get the some OTT access with the unlimited 5G data with calls for 28 days, while in 1729 plan extend to 84 days. This strategic move caters to evolving digital content consumption trends and reinforce Airtel position a leader in a customer-centric innovation, delivering unmatched convenience, value, and entertainment to its prepaid user base. All packs are available via the Airtel Xstream Play app. SpaceX Starship rocket faced another setback during its latest test flight from a Starbase in Texas. Although it surpassed the failure of earlier launches, the 400-foot rocket began the snipping uncontrollably of 30 minutes into a fight, missing the key milestone. The missions marked the ninth full-off test of Starship at the first time defuse a booster of boost. However, contact with the 232-foot booster was lost during a descent, ending plans of a control in a splashdown. The upper stage of reach in a suborbital space in a failed to deploy a mock Starlink satellite due to a manufacturing and deployment system. Elon Musk confirmed the fuel tank leak in a rocket-centric behavior. Despite the failure, Musk highlighted data gathered of announced and actual testing speeds with the launch of every 3-4 weeks. The Starship program, vital of NASA 2027 moon mission, the future Mars plans, remains central and SpaceX ambition despite recurring challenges and a mounting scrutiny. Thank you for today's bulletin. Follow IT Voice for more such tech updates. Thank you.